What if everything truly important in life can only be seen with the heart? The Little Prince is a timeless fable disguised as a children's story, an essential journey that reminds adults to rediscover the profound wisdom and pure sight of childhood. The story is narrated by a pilot who crashes his plane in the vast Sahara Desert. Stranded and struggling to survive, he encounters an extraordinary and mysterious little boy, the Little Prince. The prince has traveled from his tiny home, asteroid B612, where he cared for a single, demanding, and vain rose. His journey began because he wanted to escape the rose's complexity and learn about the wider universe. Lessons from the asteroids. As the pilot repairs his plane, the prince recounts his travels. He describes encounters with bizarre, lonely adults living on nearby asteroids, each representing a critique of adult obsessions. The king who rules over nothing but demands absolute obedience. The vain man who only wants to be admired, ignoring reality. The drunkard who drinks to forget that he is ashamed of drinking. The businessman who obsessively counts stars, believing they are his property. The lamplighter who mindlessly follows a pointless regulation. The geographer who knows nothing of his own planet because he only studies maps. These characters show the prince the absurdity of adult life, their need for power, vanity, ownership, and blind adherence to ritual. The essential wisdom. On Earth, the prince encounters two crucial figures. The fox. The fox teaches the prince the most important lesson of all: one sees clearly only with the heart. What is essential is invisible to the eye. The fox explains the meaning of taming, or establishing ties, which means creating unique bonds of mutual love and responsibility. The prince realizes that by taming his rose, he has made her unique and indispensable, despite her flaws. The fox also teaches him that his time spent on the rose is what makes her important. The snake. The snake, the prince's first encounter on Earth, symbolizes the ultimate solution, the means of returning home. The end and the message. The pilot, initially focused only on fixing his plane, slowly begins to remember his own childhood sense of wonder, thanks to the prince. The prince realizes he must return to his asteroid to care for his rose, whose vulnerability he now understands and accepts. The snake bites the prince, and his body, too heavy for his return, is left behind. The pilot later finds comfort in the stars, knowing the prince is home. The Little Prince is a universal plea to value genuine connection over material possessions, responsibility over vanity, and imagination over cold logic. Remember, all grown-ups were once children, although few of them remember it. Find the book link below, and never forget your own sweet orange tree.